𝘕𝙔𝙣𝙖𝙜𝙠. So this is my first experience of the Global Exchange Program organized by 𝑉IPS 2019. So I have come to Singapore for the first time, and here my experience was really good. We had a 3-day workshop where Mr. 𝙈𝙖𝙣𝙗𝙗 was our trainer, and he is an excellent trainer in this case. And with his experience and the example setup, we had a great and workshop there.
Hi everyone, this is 𝙈𝙖𝙣𝙗𝙗 from the 1820 batch of 𝑉IPS. I'm thankful to VIPS that it is my first overseas and first student exchange program. I came here in Singapore at MDIS, and these 3 days were fascinating. We had an amazing workshop out here, and we got to know about diversified cultures and people outside Singapore, staying outside Singapore, coming back to Singapore, and they are putting on their business and they are doing fabulous. And I'm glad that VIPS took me here. I'm very much thankful.
Hello, my name is 𝘕𝙖𝙣𝙖𝙠 and I am from PGPBM batch 2018-20. So presently I am here at MDIS Singapore. It's been an astounding experience of how the business is being conducted internationally, and also getting a very first corporate exposure of the industrial insights here.
I am 𝙤𝙖 Saha from BIBS Kolkata batch 2018-20 PGPB. I am here in Singapore since last 4 days. We came on 9th of June. So my overall experience here is amazing. It's a lifetime experience for me. The classes in the GEP sessions are amazing. The things I got to learn here are seriously a lifetime experience. Mr. 𝙈𝙖𝙣𝙗𝙗 has taught me that how to overcome our fear and how to overcome our etiquettes in the corporate world. He is a real master trainer in the corporate world.